how to use HTML tables. If you have any kind of doubts about that, you are in the right video, but you have to watch until the last. So hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I am making a video series on HTML5, hoping that you are following my video series, and you can check my playlist from my YouTube channel, and I am giving you the link in the description also, but you have to follow that link to check my playlist of HTML5. And today we are discussing about the HTML tables, and you will be able to use HTML tables, what is HTML tables and how can you use the HTML tables. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So now I'm going to show you my computer screen, and you have to follow all the steps to learn HTML tables. So without any late, let's begin. Here is my computer screen, and you can see here is a basic structure of my HTML. So I'm using the, just wait for a moment, I'm using the table, creating table. Okay. And first of all, you should to know how can you use the tables in HTML5. So this is one of the amazing method. Before, lots of people used to create the HTML web pages using the table, but in this time I am just using the HTML table. So first of all, I have to use the table tag, and inside the table tag I should to close this one. Okay, and after this you should to know the tag, that the tag is tr. If you know about the table, there should be a table row and table column, right? And if you don't know the table row and table column, and it will be too much problem for you, but you should to know that one, what is table row and what is table columns. And after the table row and table columns, then it will make the whole table, right? So okay, so first of all I'm creating the table row, so I'm just creating the tr, and inside the table row you can use just wait for a moment, you can use a table heading, it means th. Okay, so I'm just using name th, and another th also I'm creating address, and now I am closing the tr tag, tr tag, and I'm creating another tr. Okay, now inside the tr I am just creating td, it means table data. So first of all I'm creating that one, and I'm closing the table data, and now I'm going to click the td, and I am just creating Nepal, Nepal, and I'm closing the td, and I'm just closing the tr, and again I'm opening another tr tag, and inside this table row also I'm using another td, and I'm just giving a ram, it should be Siam, and I'm just closing the table data tag, and I'm again opening the td tag, and I'm just closing I'm making it US, United States. Okay, and I'm closing this one. Okay, now I'm again closing this one. Now you can see inside my table tag there are lots of tags available. Inside the first table row there is two table heads, right, name and address, and in the second table row there is table data, there is two table data, and inside the third table row there is also same like the second table row, there is also two table data, right? And now if I run this one in my Chrome browser, now you can see there is a table data available, right, but there is no borders available. But if you want to use the table border, you need to know to use CSS also. Okay, so first of all I am just using okay, just wait a minute. Sorry, the style, and I'm closing another style. Okay, I didn't close the head tag also, maybe. Okay, so inside style tag I can use the sorry, I am just giving a style to my table, sorry, th and td, and inside the curly brackets I am just giving the border 1 px 1 px solid black. Okay, and I'm just saving it. And if I went to in my browser and if I refresh, okay, it's not working. I think my CSS is not working this time, so just wait for a moment. I think I should do, oh, the color is not set properly maybe. So from here I am just refreshing this one. Now you can see there is a table border available inside my browser, right? But you can see there is a gap between two borders, right? And if I want to make it the gap in the zero, just wait for a moment. I am just changing the from the table menu, so I'm here making it uh, table. Okay, style, cells spacing. Okay, so from here I'm making it 0. Okay, if I make it 0 and if I refresh this one, now you can see my cells spacing is 0, right? And I can use a table caption also. And if I use the table caption data, sorry, table practice. Okay, just wait for a moment. I think this is not working. Table practice, and if I save it and if I refresh this one, I think the table practice should to come inside here. But I think in this time I should to use the caption tag, caption table practice. Okay, and I'm closing the caption tag. Okay, now you can see, I think the caption will work. Now you can see there is table practice, right? And this is the way to use the table inside your HTML. And if you have still any kind of confusion about table, you can ask me in the comment sections. That's it. Hoping that you understand to use HTML tables, and if you have still any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. And do like, share and subscribe this video, and you have to subscribe my YouTube channel right now, but don't forget to press the bell icon also. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll meet with you on another video. Goodbye, see you later.